connection to Gynecologist Cancer Awareness Month, a free gynecologist screening and awareness program was conducted today by Gynecologist Oncology Unit of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porompat, in association with Department of Pathology, GYNECOLOGICAL, Trained Nurses Association of India, Manipur State Branch and BBCI at the residence of High School MLA T.H. Satyabrata Singh. Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension, Manipur University, observed the International Literacy Day on the theme Literacy and Multilingualism at the Community Hall of Pebia Pandit Laikai of Ningomthong, Imphal East today. The event was held with the joint support of CRCL Club Ningomthongjau, members of Ningomthongjau Gram Panchayat and locals. All Manipur Muslim Meitei Pangal Welfare Association Imphal, in association with School Management Committee of Anita Standard High School, Kwakta, jointly organized International Literacy Day 2019 at the school premises today. Thangta Federation of India warmly received the Indian contingents of World Martial Arts MASTERSHIP Festival 2019 held at Cheongju, South Korea today at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. During World Martial Arts Contest, the Indian team won the second place in the male weapon single event category and overall team champion title at the 5th International Thangta Championship. Tanzim Makatabi Dinia Yaripok observed its 5th Jalsa, the annual meeting at Ikirawali Masjid Yaripok Tulihal today. Principal of Darul Alum Markaz Manipur, Mohatamim Hazrat Mufti Siraj Ahmed Kazmi, and Chairman of Tanzim Makatabi Dinia Yaripok, Sardar Mufti Nazim Ahmed Kazmi, shared the dice during the program.